let me introduce one of our popular items, 31134 surface mount long linear light. It is like this. Normally we sell to you is 10 feet one, 3 meters. It's other free design. You can directly cut any lens you need. You don't need to remove the aluminum, the lens, the tape lights. So directly cut it and then clean. And then you can connect with another light. So you can use the linking wire to connect it, like this. You can use for a 90-degree corner cabinet, or you can use the end-to-end connector to connect two pieces. So become one light. So you can make it longer. And it has some types of built-in sensor switch, hand weight sensor switch, this PIR sensor switch, this touch and dimmer switch, and this just the power wire. And now I show you how to use it. You connect with a power supply, and you can connect another light. Use a linking wire, and here is a hand weight switch. Hand one times on, one more off, and it also is a dimmer. Keep your hand here. Dim. Brighter. So you can use direct under the cabinet in a corner, 90-degree corner, like this. So normally this product is used for American style under cabinet, or the Turkish lighting, the island countertop lighting. So something like this. This is the popular item 31134.